Pakistan, the land of hardcore people with diversified skills, the most hardworking people for every profession, who can work wonders in any field of work and who can change the destiny of a workplace. Whatever you need, Pakistan offers you the best human resource in diversified fields of work. For decades, Pakistanis have been working wonders for their employers all over the world and have remained a key factor behind the remarkable success their employers have made in respective fields. Your key link to getting these outstanding Pakistani professionals
and skillful personnel
is OEC, Overseas Employment Corporation, Government of Pakistan. The OEC is a highly acclaimed and preeminent recruitment service provider to foreign employers. The OEC has a profound understanding of more than 43 years' experience in manpower selection and recruitment, and it is only because of untiring efforts of the OEC that more than 142,000 workers have been placed in 60 different countries worldwide, which include highly qualified professionals of
health,
engineering, education, information technology, science, agriculture, manufacturing, services,
shipping, fields of skilled and experienced human resource, etc.
Apart from meeting the specific and exacting standards of foreign employers, the corporation also acts as a protector of immigrants to ensure the welfare of immigrant personnel and to promote harmonious working relationship between the employers and the employees. The corporation assists the employers in conducting tests and interviews of candidates. Those selected for their employment abroad are then assisted with their travel arrangements, keeping pace with changing trends in the employment pattern and to meet the urgent demands of foreign employers. The corporation has established a resume bank which currently hosts CVs of
more than 500,000 candidates
and provides foreign employers to professional and highly skilled Pakistanis. Overseas Employment Corporation, Ministry of Overseas Pakistanis and Human Resource Development, Government of Pakistan.